Marcellus back with another video. We got to talk about another 100x altcoin gem, but this time this is a meme coin. So yeah, 100x meme coin gem. It was up 60% in the last 24 hours, but it had a little bit of a pullback. Now it's at 48.8% in the last 24 hours, 235% in the last 7 days, and 791% in the last 30 days. So it was 800% in the last 30 days. But this is actually pretty crazy. If you look at how long it's been out, it hasn't even been out for that long, since April. And it's a complete meme coin and it's built on Solana. So all it's called is Troll LOL. You go to the website and it's just a troll website. I mean, this is what the coin's about. It's called Troll and they troll. That's all there is to it. There's nothing, nothing special. It's just a meme coin community doing big numbers. So now we got the what it is part, done, right? Now, what we really got to talk about is beyond what this meme coin is. Obviously, as a meme coin, people are just going to make memes to it, right? But let's talk about the charts. That's what people really want to hear about. Now, when I look at these charts, I do see that it's about to have another breakout soon. And when I say another breakout, it's going to be a very short one. You can see it right here. The RSI almost looks like it wants to go up for another round. You can see how it's kind of curving upwards, but you can already see it's a little bit short-lived. This candlestick's really not big enough to, start another leg up. It's just not enough strength there inside those candlesticks. When I look at the MACD, it definitely looks like it's eventually going to start pulling back. These lightly green shaded candlesticks are starting to get smaller and smaller, showing that it's now about to switch to selling. We're about to see those red candlesticks starting to come up for the MACD, and that's when selling starts. And the RSI, it does look like it wants to reverse back to the upside, but it's not moving fast enough, and I really do believe it's about to pull back hard. Now, this is the 1 hour chart. I could change this over to the, you want to look at it from a longer perspective. 4 hour chart, still the same thing. We're overbought on the RSI, and the MACD is definitely overbought. You can see it's all the way up here at the top. It's ready to cross back down and go lower. So, the MACD bearish, the RSI about to switch to bearish movement. So yeah, would I be buying this coin at these prices? No, I would not be buying at these prices. So let's talk about prices that are probably good buy-ins with this project, because this project just started. It hasn't been out for long. So, hey, it could keep running to like 200 million. It could keep running to 300, 400, 500 million. But you don't want to roll the dice there. You want to make sure that you get in at the best possible prices. And it's kind of hard to track it right now, but we're going to look at it. And in order to do this, we just got to break it down to smaller time frames. So this is the 1 hour chart. Where is the next area for some good support for us? Well, if we were to break this Fibonacci and go below 14 cents, we obviously have these levels here, which is about 11 cents. But the thing here with 11 cents, we didn't really see any resistance around 11 cents. There's almost no resistance around there. So if we were to drop and pull back to this 11 cent area, there'd probably not be any support there either if there was no resistance. So since there's no resistance, there's probably not going to be any support there. We can probably go ahead and guess that if we pull back, we're going to go below 11 cents. We're going to go to this area, which had lots of support here. And then we had some resistance here, 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 and we had a resistance here. So if we were to do a pullback, our strong area of support would be around 9 cents. So 9 cents is what people should be looking for with this project. If it pulls back to 9 cents and then it breaks past 11 cents after that, then that's when we deem this bullish again. But right now, it's temporarily bearish. We're going to see it pulling back a little bit. Hopefully, if it does hit 9 cents, then it can break out and pass 11 cents again and then continue upwards. But yeah, that's what we got to watch out for now. Right now, I wouldn't say is a good buy-in. So yeah, 9 cents. Now, let's say we get to 9 cents and we break 9 cents. Well, the next strongest support after that would be here at about 5 cents. because we hit it once, but this project is so new that I believe that we are going to still have more, more volume able to go into this. Like we're still gonna have a lot more money flowing into this, and this is like the epiphany, I would say, of meme coins. Like this is actual meme coin doing what actual meme coins were made to do. Literally, just make memes. Like all it is memes. There's nothing about it. There's no D apps. They're not putting a roadmap out. They're not saying, "Oh, we're gonna do this, we're gonna do that, and then we're gonna do that." No, they're just trolling and making memes. And now people are going into the community and just joining. And there's a lot of volume here. 47 million inside of volume, 141 million inside of market cap. So yeah, this coin definitely seems like it does have some potential. So that's what I'm looking for. Again, 9 cents would probably be a decent buy. And let's just kind of look at where it would be at 9 cents, what the market cap would be. So right now at 14 cents, we have 141 million market cap. In order to find where our market cap would be at 9 cents, we would just take this and then we can multiply it by 9 cents, which is our target price. So 9 cents would bring this down to an $89 million market cap. So around $89 million market cap, 9 cents, 89 to 90 million market cap, we would, or personally me, I think that would be a good buy-in price. So, it's all about what you're willing to risk. I think 89 million, 90 million in market cap isn't that big. And this coin has not completely achieved its full like force, like its full power. I feel like this meme is not even the coin, but it's like the meme, the troll meme. And the coin's name is troll. Like that's such an original name in the crypto market. Like no one has came up with that yet and gotten a big project with such an original name. This could be Pepe big. This could be Bonk big. Dog with hat big. Definitely Pepe big. It's giving me Pepe vibes. So I think this project could take off. Now when I say 100x, I always mean from the bottom, right? We always have to look at it from the bottom up when we're talking about 100x, right? We can't just not look at it from that way. Right now it's at a 30, I would say 35x, something like that. But yeah, if we were to 100x from the all-time low, let's go ahead and take this and take the all-time low, multiply it by the market cap. All right, and we'll take that, multiply that by market cap. That's a $3.8 million market cap. That's where the all-time low was. And then we can go ahead and multiply that market cap by 100. 386 million would be 100x from the bottom, from the all-time low. 386 million would be that 100x. So it's almost at that 100x point. That's why I say like this is a real 100x altcoin gem, because like it literally actually almost is at 100x. So yeah, that would be pretty good. Now 386 million, what we can do is we can take and multiply this maybe by 20 cents. Nope, it'll be higher than 26, 20 cents, 30 cents. Nope, a little bit higher, times 40 cents. A little bit lower, so about 35 cents times 0.35. Yeah, somewhere around there. Around 35 cents would be that 100x level. And this, all it has to do is double its price one more time to be at 100x from the all-time low from the bottom. So yeah, I think this is a solid meme right here, a solid meme coin. But yeah, I'm gonna keep my eyes out on this. Anyways, this is all I got for y'all today. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Hit the like button and subscribe, all that good stuff. And as always, I'll be back with another video.